Well, hello there, friend. Hey, thanks so much for stopping by. Thanks for hanging out. Andrew Najera here at Drew Installs Hardware. Today, it's a very special episode of Drew Installs Hardware because I'm installing a very special door today. This is a doggy door for our two Labradoodles. They're sisters, Lucy and Maggie. And it's been cold, wet, and rainy here. And we've been bringing them in and out, but we want them to be able to come in and out on their own. So today we're installing a doggy door for them. Unfortunately, on this first segment, I lost the audio. We had some great audio going. I was telling people the secret to making your first $1 million. I expounded upon the secret to happiness. And also I gave you the top 10 tips so that you can enjoy life forever. Man, we love living, and it's unfortunate we lost it. Maybe I'll be able to share some of those tips with you in future videos, but at a certain point the audio will pick up, and we've got the template that came with the doggy door laid out. I drilled holes at each corner to just basically transfer the corner marks through the door, and I'm cutting the inside out, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side here in just a few. But yeah, we're gonna pick up the video shortly. Thanks so much for checking it out, and I think you'll enjoy this whole video. You see, this is getting small. I'm gonna replace it. They come with a tool to loosen this up. Do you need the tool? I mean, I don't, but press the button, loosen it. I mean, I've never had it to where like that's cranked down tight. I've never had it to where I couldn't just get it off, without the tool. So hey, there we go. And you save that as a souvenir. Use it as a coaster. Put your new one on. You got the two different sides to this. Flat side goes for the flat ones, and if there's a space there, you use the other side. Okay. Crank down. So, got the new blade. I'm just gonna draw me some lines between my holes here. So, and I'm gonna trust that I drilled pretty straight. All right, ready to cut again. Let's go. Did it hurt? Oh.
Really easy.
Nice. Nice. Okay, so now you can see we got the hole. Go grab me the dog door. You might notice there's a security door on the other side. Well, we've got that figured out. That security door is only going to be used when we need to make the place secure. Other than that, that security door is going to be staying open all the time to allow the dogs in and out access at night. When we close it up, we're going to close that security door because they stay in all night. And yeah, it'll be good. They're going to love it. So here, let me see that bad boy. It tells us which one's the exterior and which one's the interior. You see, it's got its own little security system you can use. So this one, the one that has two flaps, I believe they said is the outside one. Is that what it said on the instructions? Oh, they're inside, sorry. I'm a big instruction guy. I always read damn instructions, and I'm gonna leave the little doors that these come with in, these little sliders. Oh, it was the other way. My bad. My bad. I'm gonna leave that in just to help hold it rigid. But you kind of see how it's gonna go. It's gonna go like that. So they give you these the screws. I call these through bolts. So it's a bolt side, a screw side, and it's gonna go just like that. The screw side will be through the inside. We'll keep the screws on the inside. The bolts will come in through the outside. And I'm going to show you how I do this if I was just doing it by myself. I got Sebastian here helping me, but if I was by myself, this is what I think I would do. Let's see. Grab that outside one. Here's the outside guy. Just gonna have it rest on the bottom there. Oh, I got all my dust. Just gonna have it just like that. Okay. What do I do with it? Oh yeah. I'll put a piece all the way across. One all the way across the bottom. Okay, even when I'm doing stuff like this, just always when I got apprentice around, I always say, sorry bud, I just replaced you with a piece of tape. They hate it when I say that. So the through bolt, and they come through here like that, and then the inside one. So you'll see the through bolts coming through. Oh boy, yeah. See the through bolts coming through. There'll be 4 of them, just like that, and this one goes here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick the inside one through this screw through here, and I'm going to hold the other end of that through bolt because it's going to help me look through too. And so now I've got it started, and I'll use a piece of tape now on top of that through bolt to hold it in place. That backs it up basically, and that lets me tighten it from this side. Continue tighten it, and it's cranking down pretty good, so that's always a good sign. So now I'm going to do that 3 more times, and then we'll be ready to test it out. Sebastian likes building PCs. So a while back, I was able to buy him a little tool set that's specifically designed for working on computers and stuff like that. So that's the tool he's using right now. And I'm really impressed with the things he's doing. And man, he's really brave. I'm scared to mess with electronics. He's really brave. and he does it, and he knows what he's doing. He does research, and yeah, I'm really proud of him, and it's taught him a lot of stuff, but it's also then taught him some mechanical things as well, because all those components of a PC have to go in. They got to fit together and work right. They got to all fit in that box, and yeah, he's really doing a great job. I'm proud of him. Here, let me clean that out before you get down there. So this is my little nail magnet, and when you've been doing grinding or cutting, this works really good to pick up all the metal shavings. All right. Oh, a lot of dog hair too. Yeah, boy. Yeah, buddy. Huh? So now you take the through bolt, which the screw goes into. Here, let me, yeah. So the through bolt goes in from this outside. Yeah, that's right. Huh? The through bolt. Yeah, there you go. Now you're gonna keep your hand on the outside while you start the screw. You gotta find it. Find the other end. Oh no, just start it with your hand. Don't use the tool, because you got to get it started. So you got to kind of feel it out. So just keep that out. Is it started? No, it's not started. So keep the outside one, your finger pressed up against it tight, and on this one, poke around until you start to feel the screw hitting it. You can grab it with your fingers. Just like here. You got to kind of poke around at different angles a little bit till you'll feel when the tip, so it'll be out. The screw on this side won't all be all the way in yet, because it'll hit it. Yeah, like feel around. You get it? Dang, good job. Great job. That's hard to do. Good on ya. Good on ya, my boy. My boy. Okay. So I have you pick up our tools and stuff. Now we got to see if we can get the dogs to use it. No. Outside. Come on. Huh? Outside, girl. Outside. Come on. Outside. Outside. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Outside. 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 Come on. Outside. Yes. Good girl. Good girl. Outside. Come here. Maggie. Maggie. Come here. Come here. Good girl. Maggie. Lift up the inside one. Maggie. Maggie. Come on. Come here. Good girl. Good girl.